Right, here we are at Warden Law, and we've got a big surprise as the track has changed. So we have just done a couple of laps, but I just want to, before I actually put the video up, I just want to kind of go through what's actually changed. As we can see from the new track layout, we currently have down the Conrod Straight, no change there. We've got Brian's Bend, and then we've got the dog leg. St. John's again, no change, but that's when the change happens. Going into the first centre, we have that the track is very much widened and tightened up. Very much a late apex, bit greasy today, so the track will evolve. And then we have the second centre. We can see that it's been extended quite a bit and made that corner a lot tighter. Might be perfect for switchbacks if someone's trying to defend. Then we have all new tarmac going all the way to Dunlop chicane, so in the wet it is making it quite grippy. New curbs as well, so make sure you do stay well clear of them because they're definitely going to cause some damage to the karts, so do be careful. They're not actually painted yet in this video, but I want to give you the exclusive ready for race day. Now, as we can see, going into the gasworks, they've changed the angle of the corner, they've made sure we have a lot more runoff, and I can't wait to see that corner go 6 wide. Horseshoe again, all new tarmac, and the extra bit we can see it tightens up to the left before we actually turn right to go on the straight. This might be my new favourite corner. It's going to be interesting because I'm pretty sure you can get some nice overtakes into this. And if you try to defend, you may have just ruined it for the straight. Again, there's no white lines as we're going out on the track, and there's no painted curves, but these are certainly going to get done. Okay, so that's enough talking about it. Let's take you on a lap of the new Warden Law. So as mentioned, no changes to T1 all the way to St. John's. So as normal, just take your wet lines here, making sure that you use all the track and stay off the curbs as best you can. Then we're coming on to the new part of the track. As we can see, look how wide this is going into the first centre. Now we can see that it is tightened up as we go in here, stay off that curb, that's certainly going to hurt, and then we take this long run down into centre 2. Again, we can see so much runoff, plenty of opportunities for overtaking, and the tarmac is all nice and fresh as we go into the chicane. Again, stay off them curbs, they are going to hurt. There's loads of grip at this moment in time with the new tarmac, so we're able to pretty much take the dry line through there. Coming at the gasworks, again, look how wide this is. We can practically get 2-3 cars, never mind karts. So using all the track, and we can just see how fresh this tarmac is. We've got some new curbs on the horseshoe as well on the inside. We've lost the cement on the outside of the horseshoe, but then we have this lovely new complex where we're able to go left, straight, right onto the straight. In this lap, I have gone into the pits. I'll quickly splice it with the lap beforehand so you can see the new curb as well as you come onto the straight. Let me know your thoughts of this new layout on the comments down below. I'm certainly looking forward to the first race here in February. I can't wait to see how many karts wide we can go into the centres and gasworks. So if you're not already, make sure you all get booked on. And obviously this is a big change for the owners, drivers as well. So it's going to be interesting to see what they can make of this track as well. Now if you have enjoyed this video, do smash that like button, it certainly does help. And do consider subscribing if you haven't already. But till then, I'll see you on the track next time.